Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of DocsBot AI. So for today, I will be showing you the options on how you can customize your bot for your website. So make sure that you're signed into your DocsBot account, and once you're signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard. And once you're in the dashboard, you can go ahead and click the bots option here, which is located at the left navigation bar. I'm going to go ahead and customize my bot. So to customize this bot that you may use to embed to your website, you can go ahead and click Widget Embed, and then you will be taken to this page. So what you can see here is the embed code, or you can embed it as an iframe, and we have a separate tutorial for that. So make sure that you watch that video as well. So for the third option is to customize the widget. So for this one, you can customize the widget color. So let's say I'm choosing pink, this kind of maroonish color. And then I can also choose and customize the button icon and then the button alignment. And you can click this if you want to show the button text. And then you can also customize the text for that button. And for the bot avatar, you can also choose a different icon for that. And you can also go ahead and upload your header logo and then choose the alignment for it. And then you can also customize the first message, the support link, the support button text, the sources, if you want to show it or not, and your branding, and the allowed domains. So basically you can change the look, the details, the content of your chatbot that you will be embedding to your website. So if you have any questions or if you have other concerns, you can go ahead and message us and we'll do our best to help you out. Thank you so much and see you on the next tutorial. Bye.